Ano na age nyo? Can I ask, ano na inyo age? Age check muna tayo. Okay, age check. How old are you na? Oh, Diyos ko, gina-PM sa ako yung 12 pa lang po, miss. Okay, 21, 22. Okay, 21, 22, and that one. So did you know that you will, of course, in intergeneral workplace, you will be working with those who are already retired, who are Gen X, millennials, and sari-sari nga attitude, sari-sari nga age group, okay? So it simply means that you work with people from different age groups and they may have different values, communication styles, work habits, and of course, expectations. Because they already know what's happening sa ilang mga workplace, especially those that are tenured and you are just new there one day, 1 week, and with that one, at least let's explore. Okay, so right now I know that you know the trend of the PR team between millennials and Gen Zs. Are you familiar with that? Thumbs up if nakita niyo na and you agree with it. Nga dapat amo na ang PR sa bong. Oo. Okay, comment sa correct miss, we know. So let's give an example. A little bit of, sidebar muna. Okay? Familiar with this? Okay? This is from SM when they were selling sang ilang cooling fan because init. So it's just one sentence. Three words lang actually. Millennials would describe it. What's the advantage of having that one? They would stay late up at night, pero with Gen Z social site, three words with every emoticons nga ara sa ila. Okay, another one. Even the most popular pure foods nakikisakay sa trend because they know that the population, those the buying power, gasulod na sa workplace ang mga Gen Zs. They're already at the workplace, they hold middle management or even those that are in supervisors. Gen Zs that are already young supervisors. Okay, so it's just that again, emoticons lang. That's it. Okay? And the most, I nakakadlaw gid ko sini is this one. It is a shop for luxury brands of watches. Pero mo lang na, reactions on Gen Z. Ay, walang pink. Okay? Wala pink. Okay? It's important. Dapat may pink. Okay, galing kay wala. So, for sure, the Gen Z would say, hindi na lang pag i-advertise, wala man pink. Okay? So, with that one, these are just example of differences. Okay? Ay, kay man naghambal pag kag hindi lang gid guro ka-afford miss nangita rason. Okay. Thank you, dear. Correct. So, hindi na pag-spill aton secret. Okay? Sige. So, with that one, sige. So, again, these are the kumbaga bracket of age, mga age groups that you will be working with. Alright, sa pinakadalog, Gen Zs, 1997 onward. So with the generations, baby boomers are still there. Even if they are retiring or retired, they are hired as consultants or even mga higher ups na ni sila because of tenure and of course expertise. Gen X is there as managers, supervisors, and millennials are there. Most likely they would be your mentors. Okay. So mid-career professionals and even young leaders. But take note, we have to break the concept that to label each other, diba? Wala na namian, especially those in the field of psychology, nga ginalabel lang ang mga tao like this and like that. But these generational terms, it's just there for social constructs, marketing, and just demographic tools. Kung research pa ba, you see research right now in yung mga proposal, Gen X and Gen Zs right now and their academic relationship between Amoni and Amoto. So these are social constructs. So these are just used to define experiences, attitudes, technology, and rather than strict biological or psychological categories. Okay? So it's just there for us to identify, but it should not be the sole basis of how we would be able to interact with them. It just so happened that we have differences, okay? So with that one, even in the Philippines, okay, workplaces today are mixed generation spaces. The Philippine labor force, damo na, kasunod ng mga Gen Zs, me, I'm already number of years ko with this profession, and even while the youth employment was also monitored as a separate labor category. Okay, they are a lot now sa workplace. So this means young workers are entering spaces already shaped by older and more experienced employees. And when you take a look at it, because of technology, grabe man ang jump from pag-upgrade sa mga workplaces. Diba? AI, tinatudloan ng mga mag-AI. During the pandemic, every sa faculty, tanan nga age group, din training for AIMS, Canvas, Zoom. Now expert na. Everyone has a Zoom account. So with this one, why is it important? Of course, my dear students, interns, you will be working with people from different generations. Yes, you might prefer those close to your age, basit masik ka per may opinions or suggestions to the younger employees, but there is wisdom when you approach, of course, those who have already stayed sa job. So different generations may have different expectations. They might like your suggestion to make TikToks and social media accounts, but some would probably be hesitant about it. So misunderstanding can really affect teamwork. If you would be able to notice that there are age groups, they sit together, they sit together. Sometimes they sit by age or maybe by preference. So professional adjustment is part of internship, and I will be emphasizing why. So let's explore the differences. Okay, differences, and I want you to guess kung anong mga response sa mga per generation. Okay. So for example, the communication style for an employee, this would happen quite a lot. Okay. Please print 3 copies of each document. Okay. Please print 3 copies of each document. Young intern would say, Ma'am Carrie, noted po. Okay? Because Carrie becomes a normal language to us that we tend to forget, hindi na siya formal communication. So the supervisor may think that it's too casual, but the intern may think I already replied respectfully. Yun lang yun. Okay? There's difference. There is a difference. Older supervisors may give feedback directly, like this is wrong, revise it. Okay? Red ball pen, good na. Red ball pen, they don't use green, they don't use pink, they don't use sparkly ball pens, red ball pen. Okay? Revise it. But young workers may prefer to give feedback that includes encouragement. Okay? So this part is okay, but please improve this section. So you might be drawn to younger workers instead of the older supervisors. But the intern, there is a tendency that you would feel attacked, but the supervisor just think straight to the point. I have limited time to insert more words because I'm about to attend a meeting. I'm just correcting the word. Okay? So that is when emotional intelligence na gina-lecture ni Doc Joy would enter. Okay? So technology use, okay? You are perceived to be very good now with technology, making videos, CapCut, kung ano pa da mga applications nyo and all of that. Me, I am even surprised with how students submit their videos, mga short videos, that even hindi ko kaya to do that. So with this one technology use, okay, you might be inspired to teach them, okay, the digital nga aspect of workplace. So the Gen Z intern, you may say na, ay, kailangan get paper to fill out the evaluation. Miss, can we just use Google Form? So with that one, the older staff may say, no, we just usually print the forms and it is important to be printed. Why? So we do not mock old systems. it is still there for a reason. Okay? Nga wala pa taga-immerse, nga wala pa ni video na convert sa computerized nga form, okay, digital, they're still there to exist. So some workplaces use paper because of documentation, may audit trail, confidentiality, and institutional policies. Most likely, those papers are still there, gatangkas man na siya Japon, even if ginayabokan siya, it is still important. So with that one, parang I want to help more. So here, you can use this better response. Ma'am, sir, would it help if I prepare both printed or digital version? Kung magkambal sila, hindi printed lang. At least, hindi ka overstep some imo boundaries. You sound helpful and not arrogant. So there, at least may ara kada sang imo options. So attitude towards authority, this is very important. Okay, some older workplaces expects interns to wait for instructions. Okay, many younger workers are trained to ask questions, share opinions, and participate. Collaborative effort, what we say, we deem is correct, ihambal tagid na. So, but there are possible misunderstanding. An intern would interject in a meeting and say, I have a suggestion. But the supervisor hears that this intern thinks they know better. Okay? Hindi na siya ma-avoid. It's just that those are differences. Okay? So, better phrasing, ma'am, sir, hands up. May I suggest something subject to your approval? Namin nga term, no? Subject to your approval. I'm just gonna say it out there and then let's talk about it, diba? So with that one, suggestion should be offered with respect and this protects the relationship. Okay? Nanamian sila with your communication skills. So we do not say, my dear students, si sir is strict because he is Gen X. Okay? We do not say mom does not understand technology because she is older. Gen Z workers are lazy or older workers are close-minded. Instead, say or have the mindset of course, we may have different work expectations. I need to understand how this workplace operates. So it's important to do observation. As what Doc Choi said, almost a month or a few weeks, observation gets some culture. So here we go. As interns, we adjust, use the more formal style first. You can relax later once you understand the workplace culture. Okay? So, ari naman ta. Practical strategies. And wait, may ara naman ta design. Okay? So, with that one, number one, you observe first before you react. My dear students, please observe muna. Before judging the workplace, observe. Why is everyone so serious? What's going on with them? So ask yourself, how do they usually communicate? How formal is the workplace? May banters ba na is there something na applicable ba sa amin? How do supervisors give instructions? And how do staff handle conflict? And what behavior are appreciated? We do not get involved. We first observe. So internship, my dear students, is not about just doing tasks, okay? It's also about reading workplace culture. Because when you're able to do that, you won't have the ginahambal nila culture shock when you are already applying, nakagraduate ka na, nag-apply ka na, and you're able to see this one. Okay? Observe. Number 2, use professional communication. Okay? Kung may rapport, pwede ka na maging casual. Like me, when I talk to Doc Bing, we already have a relationship, so I can send as many emoticons as I can, even if we're talking about something official. Okay? Because we already have that kind of relationship. But before that, when I first met Bing, I use professional communication. So instead of saying, Miss, hindi ko gets, I don't get it, my dear students, I hope that you are learning and then you write it down, ibutang nyo sa cellphone nyo, just proper prompts, okay? This is what I've learned throughout the years also. So may I clarify the instruction so I can do it properly? Can it be repeated again? Sometimes you would feel guilty nga katatlo naging hambal sa imo, hindi mo pa gets. That's why you need a pen and paper all the time.